Are you seeing errors created by the w95inf32 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. I'll guide you through a professional system-level restoration. Don't let w95inf32 slow you down. The automated repair toolkit is available in the description. This is the w95inf32, a legacy 32-bit localized setup information parser. It allows modern Windows installers to read and interpret legacy Windows 95-style .env manifests, essential for installing older localized drivers or third-party legacy software ports. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. w95inf32 is an essential component maintained directly by the operating system. To resolve this, run sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a full integrity scan and repair any corrupted Windows binaries. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the w95inf32 file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. The version of w95inf32 DLL found on most download sites is often compiled for different hardware, which can cause your CPU to work harder or crash. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. To support a stable Windows environment, the suggested maintenance tool below includes w95inf32 library guidance. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter w95inf32 critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.